31 left, taxi via Bravo information.
So now I slide it forward?
Yep, push it forward.
00 at 12.
Thank you.
All the way forward.
827,
Is that good?
Boeing North.
Yep, that's good. Give him a wave to the left. All right, they're rolling with me.
Hey.
Look at that view left and right. Airspeed's alive. We've got a good, strong motor. There's 150. 180. Nose is coming up. Let's go flying, Patriot style.
Patriot 1 flight, traffic 2 miles northwest of the field, a helicopter inbound indicating 700 is the east center line, and traffic at the ballpark for an airlift helicopter repeating eastbound now at 900.
Got the first in sight, looking for the second, Patriot 1.
He's ready. He's ready.
Aileron roll to the right. Nose comes up.
Jim.
And we just roll it over.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Barrel roll to the right. Here we go, up to the right. This is like a big barrel, so it's a loop and a roll combination.
Okay.
Tower 2.
Up to Butcher.
Tower 2, I'm off of 2, I'm off of
Up to thanks. Up to you,
One's good, half Cuban offset to the right. All right, here comes a few more G's.
Hey.
Jim.
Gonna go straight up into the vertical.
Left crosswind is approved. Keep your crosswind close and below 800 feet.
And now, all the way over
721, understand left, crosswind.
to the right.
Jim, 721, affirmative.
There they are behind us, unload, roll the airplane. How you feeling?
Awesome. This is so great. I love it.
One op check, one's 5.1.
2's 500.
Wow.
3 515.
One more barrel roll, small, tight one to the left. Up and to the left we go. IG 180 to the right. Okay, here comes our high G's. Take a big breath, start tightening down on your muscles. Here we go. And that's what 4G's feels like.
Awesome.
Picture 1, knock it off.
2, knock it off.
Rolling left, smoke on.
Curly, take 5 seconds.
One's up. And we're going straight ahead to 1500.
Hey, ground, Challenger 30.
All righty, they will come open your...
How was it? We had so much fun. All right. Get in here.